Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.AJAY Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. I was actually discussing selected questions from competitive examination. Questions were asked in medical and engineering. Okay. Then today I will continue from the last class. Last class I have discussed question up to 198. Now I will start with question number 199. Actually most of the questions are numericals only and theoretical questions are less. And in IIT and medical more questions they are asking based on numericals only. And now 199 question number 199 I am reading. A sample was weighed using two different balances. The results were first 3.929 gram and second 4.0 gram. How would the weight of the sample be reported? Option A 3.929 gram. Option B 3 gram. Option C 3.9 gram. Option 4 3.93 gram. Again I am reading the question. A sample was weighed using two different balances. The results were first 3.929 gram and second 4.0 gram. You have used two different balances. From one balance weight was 3.929 gram and with other 4.0 gram. How would the weight of the sample be reported? First option is 3.929 gram. Second option is 3 gram. Third option is 3.9 gram. Fourth option is 3.93 gram. Just you tell. This question will take very less time to solve. Hardly it will take 30 seconds. Okay, just to think. Its correct answer is 3.93 gram. How? Because see, exact they have given one from the one balance exact is 3.929. Then that you can write as 3.929. Then now 2 you can write 3. Then 3.93, that is the correct. 3.929 was there. Now you can write for the 2 you can write 3. Correct? Just you increase by 1. Then 3.93 you can write. 3.929 was there. Then just to 9 you ignore and 2 that 1 you increase. 3.93 you can write. That is the exact. Okay. Because second balance it was showing 4.0. But first one is showing as a exact way. Hence it can be reported as 3.93. Okay. This is the correct answer. Option D. This question was asked in Punjab CET examination. Okay. Now next question to question number 200 I am reading now. Okay. The number of moles of oxygen in 1 liter of air contains 21% oxygen by volume. In a standard condition, how will you tell? First option is 0.186 mole. Second, 0.21 mole. Third, 2.10 mole. Fourth, 0.0093 mole. Again, one more time, question I am reading. The number of moles of oxygen in 1 liter of air containing 21% oxygen by volume in a standard condition is this 21% oxygen by volume in a standard condition. It is in a standard condition. Then what will be the number of mole? Again I am reading, the number of moles of oxygen in 1 liter of air containing 21% oxygen by volume in a standard condition is first option 0.186 mole, second 0.21 mole, third 2.10 mole, fourth 0.0093 mole. Just you think. Okay, this also can be answered soon. Okay, it will not take more time. Just to think. Its a correct option is last option 0.0093 mole. But how you can tell? How you can tell correct answer? That what I told you, how will you tell? 0.0093 mole. How? Then now I am telling you. Okay. 1 liter of air, that is equal to 210 cc of oxygen. Why? Because 22,400 cc or ml is equal to 1 mole at STP. At STP, 22,400 ml is equal to 1 mole. Correct? Then for 1000 cc, how much mole? 1000 cc means 1 liter. Then it will be 210 cc of O2. Correct? 22,400 ml. That means 1 mole. Then for 1000 cc, how much mole? Correct? You can calculate very easily. That is for 1 liter of air. It will become 200 cc of O2. Then now in 200 cc O2, here you have to understand 1 liter of air, that is actually only 21% by volume. In air, other gases are also there, but oxygen percentage is 21%. Hence, 21% means what? In 1 liter? Means in 100 ml 21. Then in 1 liter in 1000, how much? It will become 210, 210. Correct? Because in 100, 21 ml. Then in 1000, 1 extra 0, 210 cc. And you know, 22,400 cc is equal to 1 mole. This relation is very, very important. Then 200 cc you convert in mole. Then 210 divided by 22,400. It after the solving, it will come 0.0093 mole. Okay, 210 divided by 22,400. Its value will be 0.0093 mole. Okay. Hence, correct option is D only, 0.0093 mole. This question was asked in medical examination, CBSE medical. Now next question is 201. Dimensions of pressure are same as that of. First option is energy, second option is force, third option is energy per unit volume, and fourth option is force per unit volume. This is a good question. It will take time, little time, 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, because it is based on formula. Or you might be knowing also that this dimension of pressure, that is equal to direct, also you can remember energy per unit volume. Okay, direct its answer is energy per unit volume. Okay, you always remember pressure you can tell in term of energy also. This is the very, very important question. Or you should know. Pressure also you can tell in term of energy. Energy per unit volume. Okay, means option C is correct. Energy per unit volume. But if you want to prove it, you can prove it also. Now I am telling you how it will come energy per unit volume. Now I am telling you. Pressure, you know, pressure is equal to force by area. This is the common. Pressure is equal to force divided by area. Now, and force is equal to, what is the force? Then force is equal to work by distance. Correct? Or energy by distance, per unit distance. Force, what is actually force? Then force is equal to actually work per unit distance. Work per unit distance. That is actually force. You might be knowing this sentence. And work also you can tell that work is energy also. Work is energy. Hence you can tell energy per unit distance. Energy per unit distance or force per unit distance, and this work per unit distance. Work also can tell in terms of energy. The energy per unit distance, that is the force. Always you remember, force is equal to what? Then force is equal to work per unit distance. Work means energy. Then you can write in the place of force, you write work or energy, anything per distance divided by area. Area you leave it. Then here area is there, distance you write down with area. Then now area into distance, it will be volume. Then upside only work will be remaining. Work or energy, anything you can write. Energy per unit volume. Because distance it came down. You multiplied with area. The area into distance. That is the volume. Hence energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume. That is the dimension of pressure. Very good question. Okay. Dimensions of pressure are same as that of energy per unit volume. This question was asked in CBSE medical examination. Okay. Hence other options are wrong. Only energy is wrong, first option. Second energy is force, that is also wrong. Third option was energy per unit volume. This is the correct. Fourth one was force per unit volume. That is also wrong. It is energy per unit volume. Now next question I am reading. 202. The vapor density of gas is 11.2. the vapor density of a gas is 11.2. The volume occupied by 11.2 gram of the gas at NTP will be how much? This is also easy question. First option is 11.2 liter. Second 22.4 liter. Third 1 liter. Fourth 44.8 liter. Again I am reading the question. The vapor density of gas is 11.2. The volume occupied by 11.2 gram of the gas at NTP will be first option 11.2 liter, second 22.4 liter, third 1 liter, fourth 44.8 liter. You think you can solve it also within 30 seconds. You think it. Now I am telling you how will you solve these numericals. Okay, it is not difficult. That actually vapor density is given, then easily you can know the molecular weight. 2 into vapor density, then 11.2 into 2, 22.4, 22.4, correct? Then this is the 22.4 gram, correct? 22.4 gram, that is the molecular weight, correct? 22.4, now you calculated molecular weight. Then after that what will happen? 2 into vapor density means 2 into 11.2, that is the 22.4, that is the actually molecular mass. Then we know 22.4 gram, that is equal to 22.4 liter at NTP. At NTP means normal temperature and pressure, that gram and liter both are same. Density is equal to mass by volume. D is equal to 1 at NTP. Then mass is equal to volume. Then 22.4 gram means 22.4 liter. Correct? Then here 11 point question they have given that volume occupied by 11.2 gram. Then 11.2 gram means 11.2 liter. Hence correct option is option A. Option A is correct. Okay. Very easy, that because 11.2 gram in question they have given, that is equal to 11.2 liter. 11.2 liter volume. Hence that correct answer is option A. Okay. Now next question I am reading. Okay. 203. The mass of a molecule of a molecule of water. The mass of a molecule of water, okay, is first option, that is 3 into 10 to the power 10 to the minus 26 kg. Okay, and this is the first option. And second option, that is the 3 into 10 to the power minus 25 kg. Okay, that is second option. And third option is Third option is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Minus 26 kg. Third option is fourth option 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Again one more time I am reading. The mass of a molecule, means one molecule here. This is the important thing. The mass of a molecule of water is, first option 3 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Second is 3 into 10 to the power minus 25 kg. Third option is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Fourth option is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Okay. Now you think. This question is also not tough. You can solve it. Actually, this question and what I discussed, both question is asked in, can say, engineering competition. Bihar competitive examination, this question was asked. This also and what I discussed also. Now we think question number 203, the mass of a molecule of water. What will be, just to calculate? It is very easy. You know that Avogadro number, that is a 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That is the 1 mole. 1 mole means 18 gram. You always, this type of question you convert in mole. All things will be easy. Because mole you can correlate with mass also, volume also, number also. 3 things. You can correlate with 3 things: mass, volume and number. Hence, you first try to know how many moles. Correct? Then here that you just to convert into the mole. Then we know that Avogadro number is equal to 1 mole. Avogadro number of H2O means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2O means 18 gram. 18 gram. Then this is the number you are correlating with mass, 18 gram. Then Avogadro number is equal to 18 gram. Then for one molecule how much? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2O is equal to 18 gram. Then for 1 molecule, 18 divided by Avogadro number. Hence, after solving, because upside 18 is there, down 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Then 10 to the power 23, it will go up, then it will come minus 23. And upside 18, down 6. You will cancel the 3 times, 6 into 3. It will cancel. Hence, you will get, roughly you will get 3 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Correct? If you want to answer in kg, then gram you are knowing, then if you will divide by 1000, you will get answer in kg. Hence, you will get minus 23 is there. Again divided by 1000, it will come minus 26. Hence, in kg, answer will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Hence, correct option that will be the 3 into 10 to 10 to the power minus 26 kg, or in gram it will be 23. In gram it will be 23. 3 into 10 to the power minus 23. Okay. But in option you can see it is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 23 kg. It is given. First option is there. 3 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. It is given. Hence, first option is correct. Answer is in kg. Or you also remember 1 molecule of water, its mass is in kg 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 26. This also you should remember in general way. So less 3 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg in kg. Correct? Always you should keep in mind, because this is a common. All will be having interest to know the mass of 1 molecule of water. Correct? You can tell in kg also. This per liter also you can tell by multiplying by 1000. Correct? You can convert in any way. For 1 molecule, this is the weight. You can convert in 1 liter, or it is for one molecule is there, 1 molecule. Okay, then it is difficult. Only in you can tell in Avogadro number term. Okay, but you should know, it is interesting question. For 1 molecule, mass is 3 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. You remember. This question is also asked in Bihar engineering examination, Bihar CEE competitive examination. This question was asked. Next question I am telling you 204. Okay, equivalent weight of crystalline oxalic acid is equivalent weight of crystalline oxalic acid COOH whole 2, that is the formula. You should remember, in question it is not given, only oxalic acid is given. Then equivalent weight of crystalline oxalic acid is first option 90, second option 63, third option 53, fourth option 45. Question is very easy. Quickly you can answer. Okay. Already hint I told you. Oxalic acid formula is COOH whole 2. And it has 2 molecules of water is associated. That also you have to count. Then its molecular weight you calculate first. And here 2 hydrogen is attached, COOH. Then molecular weight divided by 2 means here a number of H is basicity. Number of H is basicity. Hence molecular mass divided by basicity. That is the equivalent mass. Very easy. Then molecular mass will be 126, including 2 H2O molecules. 2 H2O means 36. 1 H2O means 18. Then 2 H2O means 36. And COOH, C is 12 and 2O is there, means 32. 32 plus 12, 44. 44 plus 1, 45. Then COOH whole 2 means 45 into 2, 90. And 90 plus 36, 126. Then 126 divided by 2, 63. Hence correct answer will be 63. Option B. Option B will be correct. Now next question I am telling you. Actually this question was asked in medical examination. MP, PMT. Okay. Now next question I am telling you. Question number 205. The amount of zinc required to produce 224 ml of H2 at STP on treatment with dilute H2SO4 will be first option 0.65 gram, second option 6.5 gram, third option 65 gram, fourth option 0.065 gram. Again I am reading one more time. The amount of zinc required to produce 224 ml of H2 at STP on treatment with dilute H2SO4 will be first option 0.65 gram, second option 6.5 gram, third option 65 gram, Fourth option 0.065 gram. Just you can, this question also you can solve it within 1 minute. Actually, you should make a habit to solve the numericals within 1 minute. Because in examination you will get not more than 1 minute time. Maximum time, if you will divide by total question, you will find you will get roughly 1 minute time only. Okay, hence you should try to solve fast. Just to think. Here you should remember the reaction. Only then you can solve it. Okay. Just to think, very easy. Zn plus H2SO4. That reaction Zn plus H2SO4, you will get product ZnSO4 plus H2. Then all are 1 mole only. Zn only 1 molecule or 1 mole you can tell here. Plus H2SO4 1 mole. And product is 1 mole ZnSO4, 1 mole H2. Hence Zn atomic mass is 65 gram. You are getting 1 mole H2 means 22,400 ml. Means 65 gram is giving 22,400 CCH2. CC or ml, both are equal. Then you want 224 ml, 224 CCH2 you want. Then you divide 65 gram by 100 because 22,400 is giving required 65 gram. Then only 224. 100 you have to just divide by 65, you divide by 100. Then you will get value for 224. Then 65 divided by 100 means you will get 0.65, 0.65 gram. See how fast you have solved. Then correct option is 0.65. Correct answer 0.65. Option A. Option A is correct. 0.65 gram. Now next question I am reading. The number of moles of KMnO4 required to oxidize 1 mole of FeC2O4 in acidic medium. This question, earlier question was what I discussed. Now this Zn, that question was asked in CBSE medical examination. Okay, PMT. Now question number 206 I am telling you. Number of molecules of KMnO4 required to oxidize 1 mole of FeC2O4 in acidic medium is first option 0.6, second option 0.167, third option 0.2, fourth option 0.4. This is also easy. You have to remember the reaction. You must remember the reaction to solve this type of question. In many questions you will that reaction is required. Then after writing the balanced equation, you can solve it easily. Here also you will require balanced equation. But again one more time question I am reading you. A number of moles of KMnO4 required to oxidize 1 mole of FeC2O4 in acidic medium is first option 0.6, second option 0.167, 0.167, third option 0.2, fourth option 0.4. Think this question is also asked in Haryana CEET exam. Okay, this you can solve it easily. Just to think, reaction first to think. Now it's a reaction I am telling you, then you can solve it very easily. KMnO4 plus H2, this KMnO4, actually this reaction will take place in presence of acidic medium. In question also it is written in acidic medium. But which acid it is not written. whether HCl or H2SO4. Hence, better for the acid you write only H plus. H plus you can write. Okay. Then KMnO4 ionic reaction write. In the for the KMnO4 you write MnO4 1 minus KMnO4 K plus MnO4 1 minus. Correct? In ionic reaction you can write K plus. If you will go, then MnO4 will be remaining. That will be minus, because 1 plus will neutralize 1 minus. Then MnO4 1 minus plus hydrogen means H plus. In this reaction you remember that in this reaction 5 electrons are required. 5 electrons are required. This is the two-step reaction. Hence better you remember that in this reaction 5 electrons are required. MnO4 plus 8H plus 5E. E means electron. That will give Mn2 plus. MnO4 will convert that Mn. Now product Mn2 plus 4H2O. Plus 4H2O. And in second step, Fe2. It will convert to Fe3 plus, means 1 electron, plus 1 electron. Then now you know that here you have to cancel out the electron. Correct? I told you this reaction takes place in 3 steps. Then first you have to write the reaction MnO4 1 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron. It will give Mn2 plus 4H2O. Correct? Second reaction, second step, Fe2 plus, it will convert to Fe3 plus. This is actually oxidation, plus 1 electron. Third step, C2O4 2 minus. Separate we are writing the reaction. Third step, C2O4 2 minus. It will give 2CO2 plus 2 electron. Then now you know that in this type of reaction, final reaction, electron should not appear. Electron should not appear. It should be cancelled. It must cancel. Then for that purpose, first step you will multiply by 3. Second step you will multiply by 5. Third step again you will multiply by 5. So that electron should be cancelled. Okay. And final reaction you will find like that: 3 MnO4 1 minus plus 24 hydrogen plus 5 FeC2O4. This will give the product 3 Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus 10 CO2 plus 12 H2O. This is the actually reaction. You should remember a final reaction only, it will be better. Step by step also I told you, but final reaction you should keep that 3 MnO4 1 minus plus 24H plus 5 FeC2O4 means KMnO4 reacted with acid. 24H plus means acid plus 5 FeC2O4. FeC2O4 is given 5 FeC2O4. Then product you are getting 3 Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus 10 CO2 plus 12 H2O. Anyway, you have to write the reaction. Then now numericals you will solve according to the reaction. 5 moles of FeC2O4, that is equivalent to 3 moles of KMnO4. This you actually required by the reaction, that for 5, according to the reaction, for 5 FeC2O4 you require 3 moles of KMnO4. This is the main things. Then for 1 mole, 5 moles of FeC2O4 requires 3 moles of KMnO4. Then for 1 mole of FeC2O4, how much? 3 by 5 mole of KMnO4 means 0.6 mole. Hence correct option will be 0.6. first option A is correct. Okay. Then this was actually this question was based on reaction. If you write the reaction, quickly you can solve the numericals. Otherwise, you can't solve it. Okay. Means for some reaction, particularly reaction based on K2Cr2O7 and K-4, you must remember. Okay, because only these two are the main reaction with K2SO4 with in acidic medium as well as basic medium, and K-4 also in acidic medium. You remember, because numericals is asked based on this only, K2Cr2O7 or K-4. You remember it. Exam time, it will be not problem. It will solve your problem. Then now I told you option A is correct, 0.6. 0.6. How it came, already I have discussed. Next question is 207. It is very easy. Earlier question was asked in Haryana CET examination, 206. What I discussed, 0.6. This question was asked in Haryana CET. Now 207 I am talking about. 1 AMU is equal to, first option 1/12 of C12, second 1/14 of O16, third option 1 gram H2, fourth option 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 kg. This will take hardly 5 seconds to answer, because it is a direct. By definition, you can tell. Just to think, I think 5 seconds is sufficient. Its correct option is 1/12 of C12 by definition. 1 AMU nowadays is called only U. Then 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of C12. Correct? Now one more question I want to discuss, that is 208. 100 cc of 0.1 NaCl is mixed with 100 cc of 0.2 NaOH solution. The resulting solution is, first option 0.1 N and the solution is basic. Second 0.05 N and the solution is basic. Third option 0.1 N and the solution is acidic. Fourth option 0.05 and the solution is acidic. One more time. Question I am reading. 100 cc of 0.1 NaCl is mixed with 100 cc of 0.2 NaOH solution. The resulting solution is, first option 0.1 N and the solution is basic. Second option 0.05 N and the solution is basic. Third option 0.1 N and the solution is acidic. Fourth option 0.05 and the solution is acidic. Think it. This also you can solve it very easily. Think. Its correct answer is 0.05 N and the solution is basic. Basic easily you can judge, because both are 100 cc acid and base, but strength is 0.1 N. HCl is 0.1 N and NOH is 0.2 N more. Then obviously after mixing, that because base is strong 0.2 N, then its solution will be finally basic. It is 100% sure just by reading the question. Now You will see 0.1 N, one is 0.1 N HCl, other is 0.2 N NOH. Correct? Then a strength, how will you tell? Because two options are there. First option is 0.1 N and the solution is basic. Other option is 0.05 N and the solution is basic. The solution will be basic, it is clear. But which one is correct, A or B? For that you can just simply you apply the these things, common sense. 100 cc of 0.2 N NOH, 100 cc of 0.2 N NOH is equivalent to 200 cc of 0.1 N NOH. Correct? 0.2 now you converted to 0.1 N, and that will be equivalent to 200 cc. Then NOH left, neutralized, that is the 100 cc of 0.1 is left. Correct? 100 cc neutralized 0.1 N, but 100 cc of 0.1 N is left. Hence the solution is basic first. Now total volume after mixing 100 plus 100, 100 acid plus 100 base, 200. Then 200 cc, 200 cc you can say total mixture became 200 cc. Hence strength will be half. Strength will be half. 0.1 will become 0.05. Half of 0.1, 0.05 N. Hence correct option will be B, 0.05 N, and the solution is basic. Actually 0.2 N you converted to 0.1. 100 cc 0.2 N means 200.1 N you can write. Then 100 will neutralize, 100 will be remaining. NOH 0.1, but actually you have mixed 100 cc, 100 cc, 200 cc. Then 200 cc because this it became double, it became 200, hence this will come half. Strength it was 0.1, then it was 0.1 for in case of 100, but now it is 200, hence its strength will become half, 0.05. Hence correct answer is option B, 0.05 N, and the solution is basic. This is the correct answer. Now I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Actually this question was also asked in you can say MPPET examination. Okay, this examination was asked. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.